Hello student, today we are going to learn math object methods in JavaScript. Okay, before that we are aware of the document object model. Okay, in that we learn Windows object, their properties and methods, document object, their properties and methods. Okay, now today we are going to learn the math object methods. Okay, so see what is math object. The built-in math object includes mathematical constants and functions. You all are science student, okay, and in your school education you all are already aware of the mathematics. Okay, in algebra you learn the different equations of mathematics, so you are aware of certain functions of math like cube, square root, etc. Okay, so this type of mathematical constants and functions are already provided into the JavaScript, that is called as built-in math objects. Yes, now see, you do not need to create the math object before using it. Following table contains list of math object methods. For example, variable x is equal to 56.899. Now we have the value 56.899 and we have the method of math object, that is math.cell. Now in the part of functions or methods, we know that what is the answer of this. Okay, but when we see the answer for this, we get the number 57 because this will get rounded up. This cell function will rounded up the value of given variable to the nearest number. As we know that 56.899 is having the nearest number is 57. So this will print the answer as 57. Okay, now see the methods of math object and description of math object. The first method ABS into bracket x, it means that absolute value for the variable x. Okay, see the description. It will returns the absolute value of a number. It means that this will print the positive value. Here we have one example. See, math.abs minus 4.7. See, value of the variable is what? Minus 4.7. And when you see the result for this, you will get the positive number. This will return 4.7. because of the value print by absolute function is positive. Okay. Then second method, CBRTX. Now CBRTX means cube root of variable x. This will returns the cube of a number. Okay. Now see, we have one example, math.cbrt 125. Math.cbrt 125. This will returns 5 because the 125 number 125 is the cube root of number 5. 5 into 5 into 5, this will print 125. Okay. Now see the next method, cell x returns the next integer greater than or equal to a given number, that is rounding up, or this will returns the value of x rounded up to its nearest integer. Okay. So as I told you earlier, this example, in this example we have x is equal to 56.899. It will print the nearest number for its rounded up position, and the nearest number to this 56.899 will get print 57. Okay. Now see, here we have one more example, math.cell 4.4. So that prints 5. This function will print the number 5 because it will rounded up to its nearest number. Now see the next method, floor x. Floor x returns the next integer less than or equal to given number. Now here this will rounding down. We know that cell x will print the rounding up number, whereas the floor x will returns the rounding down number. It means that it will print less than or equal to the number. So see here how this method is used into a program, math.floor x. This will be the representation of floor x method. Now we have next example, variable a is equal to math.floor 0.60. So this will print less than number because it will rounding down. So here we will have the result as 0. So this will print 0. Okay. Then there is one more example, variable b is equal to math.floor 0.40. It will returns 0. Okay. Then third variable, variable c, math.floor having value 5. So this will returns 5 because here we have the whole number. Okay. So there is no chance to decrease this number. So it will print the number equal to 5, which is provided into the method floor. Okay. Then see one more example, variable d is equal to math.floor 5.1. Here it will returns 5 because the nearest less than number is 5. Okay, and last example of floor method, that is variable f is equal to math dot floor minus 5.9. Here it returns minus 6. Now see why here 6 is written, because 6 is the less number than minus 5.9. As you know that the number scale, you all are aware of the number scale. We all know that in number scale, the as we go right side from 0 पासून आपण जर उजव्या बाजूला वळालो तर आपल्याला माहित आहे की 0 पासून उजव्या बाजूला जर चाललो तर नंबर हा मोठा मोठा होत चालतो, बरोबर. आणि तेच जर आपण 0 पासून लेफ्ट साइडला डाव्या बाजूला जर सरकलो तर नंबर हा काय होत चालतो, छोटा छोटा होत चालतो. आणि म्हणून त्यानुसार -5.9 हा -6 पेक्षा मोठा आहे, बरोबर. आणि म्हणूनच जेव्हा फ्लोर हे फंक्शन -5.9 सोबत यूज होतं तर तिथे जे आपल्याला रिझल्ट मिळतो तो काय असेल, मग त्याच्या नियरेस्ट असलेला नंबर जो राउंडिंग डाऊन पोझिशनला असेल तो म्हणजे -6. ओके, तर हे आहे फ्लोर मेथड. आता आपण पुढची मेथड बघूया, max xy. Now see, this will returns the highest valued number in list of numbers. म्हणजेच इथे समजा एक्स वाय याच्यानंतर जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर बघा डॉट 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 दिलेले. ओके, so this is what here we have more than 2 values. ओके, मग ह्या ज्या मोर दॅन 2 व्हॅल्यूज असतील यांच्यातून सुद्धा काय होणार आहे, जो कोणता नंबर मोठा आहे तो प्रिंट करण्याचं काम हे केलं जाणार आहे. मग इथे एक एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे बघा. वी हॅव द एक्झाम्पल मॅथ डॉट मॅक्स 5,10. सो हियर दिस विल रिटर्न्स 10. युजली आपण जर बघितलं नंबर 5 आणि 10 तर यांच्यात मोठा नंबर हा 10 आहे, बरोबर. आणि म्हणून इथे जो रिझल्ट प्रिंट होतो तो असेल 10. ओके, नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल और नेक्स्ट मेथड, mean x, y. This will returns the lowest valued number in a list of numbers. Mean xy will returns the lowest valued number in a list of number. For example, math dot mean 5,10 returns 5. Okay, and then see the next method, power of xy. This will returns the base to the exponent power, that is xy. For example, math dot power of 4,3. So when we are using this method into the example, we will get the result 64. This will returns 64. How 64 is coming here? Because here we have the power as 3 for the number 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, that is 64. Okay, now see the next method, random x. This returns a random number between 0 and 1, including 0, not 1. आता सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं इथे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, रँडम एक्स मध्ये काय प्रिंट होतं, कुठलाही नंबर प्रिंट होतो, कुठलाही, परंतु तो कुठल्या रेंज मधला आहे, 0 आणि 1 याच्या आतमधलाच तो 0 प्रिंट करेल, 0 पॉइंट समथिंग प्रिंट करेल, पण 1 तो प्रिंट करत नाही. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं जे तुम्हाला इथे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, रँडम will returns a random number between 0 and 1 including 0 but not 1. okay, मग आता बघा how this will be used. for example, math.random, this will returns random number. मग समजा तुम्ही हे फंक्शन यूज केलं तर इथे काय होऊ शकतं की 0.567 असा मिळेल. नेक्स्ट टाइम परत यूज केलं तर तुम्हाला पुन्हा 0.324 असा काहीतरी नंबर मिळेल, किंवा डायरेक्टली 0 सुद्धा मिळेल, पण इथे तुम्हाला 1 असा कधीही रिझल्ट मिळणार नाही. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज रँडम मेथड. ओके, देन लास्ट मेथड ऑफ math object is sqrtx. this will returns the square root of a given number. sqrtx means what? Square root of given number. for example, see math.sqrt 9, this will returns 3 because we know that 3 into 3 9. okay, so this all are the methods of math object. okay.